Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Jain. I am Internet Sparks Foundations for Data Science and Business Analytics. They have given the data set, and for the particular data set, we need to find the percentage of an student based on the number of study hours. Here I use the Jupyter Notebook. First, I have import all the required libraries. After this, I import the data set. With the help of the pd.read_csv, I read the data set. Data.head10, we check the top 10 rows of our data set. Data.set, with the help of this method, we have to check number of entries in our data set. Here 25 rows and 2 columns in our data set. And we have also checked null value in our data set, but we have not found any null value in our data set. So we can now visualize our data. I just plotted the graph to understand the correlation between two variables. I just took the hours and percentage marks. I plotted on the X and Y axis. This graph shows the relation between marks percentage and hour studies. Here, hour studies is independent variable and marks percentage is dependent variable. From the above scatter plot, there looks to be correlation between the marks percentage and hour studies. Let's plot a regression line to confirm the correlation. This is a regression plot with the help of this regression plot, we have found the variable correlation, and it is confirmed that the variable are positively correlated. And after this, I just dive into linear regression. Here X is input variable, or we can say dependent variable, and Y is the dependent variable or output variable. And ilog function, with the help of this function, we have to select a specific row or column from the data set. Here, by using scikit-learn built-in train test split method, I divide the data for training and testing part in the ratio of 8:2, because our data is small. After this, now to train the algorithm, we use the linear regression from scikit-learn linear model. Now our model is trained. After this, I predicted the percentage of marks with the help of X validation test data. In the table, we can see there's a we can see the relation between hours and predicted marks. And after this, I have compared the predicted marks with the actual marks. This table shows the relation between actual marks and predicted marks. After this, I have visualized and compared the predicted marks with the actual marks. This graph shows the relation between actual versus predicted. And shows the relation between marks percentage and study hours. To evaluate this model, we need to find its mean absolute error. Here, mean absolute error is 4.18. Small value of mean absolute error state that the chances of error or wrong forecasting through the model are very less. In the statement, it was mentioned to find the predicted score if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day. Here I conclude, according to the regression model, if a student studies for 9.25 hours a day, he or she is likely to score 93.69 marks. This is all about my project. Thank you.